Welcome, everyone. Thank you for joining us today to learn more about the great range of technology and data programs offered at McMaster University Continuing Education. My name is Monica, and I'm Information Specialist here at McMaster Continuing Education. I will be walking through the following technology programs today that we're excited to tell you about: data analytics, data science, big data programming and architecture, open source intelligence, health analytics, and our new full stack development program. These programs follow a path where you first learn the basic, then intermediate, and thus the advanced levels of knowledge. Courses are flexible within each program and can be taken based on your previous knowledge or comfort level to stay ahead in the changing fields. Programs are offered in a convenient online or virtual classroom format and help you gain the relevant skills and experience, earn a certificate online, and future-proof your career. First, let's dive into our data analytics offerings. This program is designed for professionals looking for a flexible, basic level introduction to the world of analytics. We offer two data analytics program pathways to choose from. First, the certificate in data analytics requires the completion of any 5 courses, and the certificate of professional learning in data analytics requires the completion of any 3 courses. By completing one of our data analytics programs, you'll receive a certificate or certificate of professional learning from McMaster University Continuing Education. In addition to this, these courses provide the prerequisites for professionals interested in pursuing the intermediate or experienced program streams in data science and big data programming and architecture. Here's what you can expect to learn through the data analytics program: how to apply statistical methods for the analysis of data sets, how to collect, analyze, interpret, and share data, identify relationships in data, select and employ problem-solving techniques, source standard and web-based tools to test analytical solutions, and employ data models in business intelligence and data analysis case studies. Our data analytics program is offered in flexible formats designed to meet your needs, schedule, and learning preferences. Virtual classroom format combines live sessions with independent study activities with the goal of replicating what one might otherwise experience in an in-person offering. Understanding and knowing how to apply data analysis opens doors to many different career opportunities, including the areas of finance, healthcare, marketing, government, logistics, and information systems, just to name a few. You can visit our data analytics page to learn more about this exciting opportunity. Now let's take a look at our data science program. Are you interested in mastering digital data at an intermediate level? Then this program is for you. You can choose from 2 program pathways. So certificate requires the completion of any 5 courses, and certificate of professional learning requires the completion of any 3 elective courses. Here's what you can expect to learn through the data science program: translate a business problem into an analytical problem solving techniques and software tools to test analytical solutions, and identify, test, and evaluate model structures to solve a business problem. Data science courses are offered through virtual classroom format, where you can experience the classroom environment from the comfort of your home. You will meet live at a designated time each week to learn from an expert instructor. As well, each class will have a hands-on training portion that you can apply immediately in your industry. Those who pursue data science can work in exciting fields similar to the ones mentioned in the data analytics program. These are listed for you again on the screen. The data science programs offers a capstone project course, which aligns with the Certified Analytics Professional, or CAP, competencies. You'll work with faculty and industry mentors on real-world business problems and/or projects to apply analytic models and tools learned through the program. For further information about this program and experiential learning, please visit our website. Now let's talk about the Big Data Program and Architecture program. This program focuses on experience levels of big data analytics, open source technologies, and cloud computing platforms. These courses are perfect for anyone who wants to expand their current knowledge and stay ahead of this rapidly changing field. There are 2 program pathways to choose from. The certificate requires the completion of any 5 courses, and certificate of professional learning requires the completion of any 3 courses. Some courses featured in this program include data programming, where you'll learn Scala and Java, essentials of cloud computing, and a capstone project. As well, these courses can prepare you if you're interested in pursuing designation in Certified Cloud Practitioner and/or Cloud Solutions Architect. Here's what you can expect to learn through the Big Data Programming and Architecture program: how to build a variety of IT infrastructure on the cloud, collect, analyze, interpret, and share data and identify relationships in data, and work with open source and scalable database tools. Data analytics, data science, and big data programming and architecture are unique programs where you can continue advancing your knowledge in data analysis, even after you've completed your certificate, by choosing courses that match your background and align with your career goals. You can also do it at your own pace and on your own terms with our flexible virtual classroom format. Big Data Programming and Architecture program is a great fit for professionals with a degree in science, computer science, technology, mathematics, business, or engineering who want to give their career that competitive edge or who want to work in previously mentioned fields, but also in sectors using artificial intelligence and predictive analytics. For more information on the program and its courses, please visit our website. We're now at the halfway point of our presentation, and we'd like to do 2 more quick polls to get an understanding of your education and career goals and study plan. Now let's talk about the Open Source Intelligence Program. This program will teach you current real-world skills, techniques, and tools to effectively gather and effectively investigate open source intelligence data. The certificate of completion requires the completion of all 4 courses. Open source intelligence courses can also be leveraged to the data analytics program, as previously mentioned. Here's what you can expect to learn through our open source intelligence program. Recognize cyber threats and safeguard your safety and privacy online. Design tools and processes to collect and manage data. And use various tools and methods to monitor online and social media sources in real time. The Open Source Intelligence Program is an open enrollment professional development program. There's no formal admission process, and it's offered in a convenient virtual classroom format. To name a few examples of open source intelligence advantages across different businesses, law enforcement agencies are able to better monitor national security and predict future actions. Financial institutions are able to identify money laundering activities more effectively. IT departments are better equipped to detect cyber threats. Insurance companies can expose claims frauds cases faster. Human resources are able to investigate employees and potential candidates. And marketing departments are able to effectively analyze marketplace trends and track competitors. You can learn more about this opportunity and the exciting opportunities it offers by visiting our website. Now let's take a look at our health analytics program. The program teaches you how to collect, analyze, and report using health data in common statistical, programming, and software tools. Interested students can work towards a certificate of completion in health analytics. And the certificate of completion requires completing 3 out of 5 courses. Some of the things you can expect to learn include how to assess how health data is used in the healthcare system by key decision makers, quality and risk managers, and the application of big data and machine learning practices for health data analysis. Health analytics courses are offered in a virtual classroom format with scheduled synchronous instructor-led online tutorials. This means you will have set times and dates for lectures. This program is ideal for those interested in seeking a data analytics position or advancement in the healthcare industry. Courses are available to suit your own academic and professional goals. Potential career opportunities for those who graduate with a certificate of completion in health analytics include clinical informatics analyst, health data analyst, billing analyst, health surveillance data analyst, just to name a few. Now, our new full stack development program teaches the core knowledge and in-demand skills to become a full stack developer for websites and online content in months. Training is provided across 3 disciplines in web design and development. These include user experience and user interface design, front-end website development, and back-end server development and applications. The diploma in full stack development requires the completion of all 9 courses, or you have 3 certificate of professional learning program options. You can either specialize in user experience, user interface design, front-end development, or back-end development. Here's what you'll learn through our full stack development program. Examining the user experience and web design process, work in design programs like Adobe Creative Suite, gain a basic understanding of HTML, CSS, apply accessibility and WCAG guidelines, apply JavaScript frameworks and coding, learn how to use API software, and work as part of a design and development team. Full stack development courses are offered in a flexible online format. You can review the course content when it's most convenient for you and have the opportunity for discussion and webinars each week. Activities include reading, discussion boards, narrated presentations, group and individual exercises, and interaction with your classmates and instructor each week. This program is best suited for anyone with a background in graphic design, multimedia, communications, and web analytics, anyone seeking personal and/or professional development in the principles and practices of user experience / interface design, front end and back end development, and some self-employed individuals who want to plan, create, and maintain a responsive website design. You can visit our full stack development page to learn more about this exciting opportunity. Registering for any of the programs we discussed in this presentation is quick and easy. There's no application required. Simply go to our website and register online as long as you meet the following requirements. You must have an Ontario Secondary School diploma or equivalent, be a mature student. A mature student is someone who's been out of high school for more than 2 years and over the age of 18, or be deemed an exceptional case. This would be done through program managers and admission staff. Please ensure that you meet Master's English Language Proficiency requirements if you're a new Canadian or an international student. When you're ready to register, simply click on the program of interest, review the program and course prerequisites, select a course, and proceed to the checkout. If you require any assistance with the registration process, please feel free to review our How to Register video on our YouTube channel or reach out to our information services team. Here you'll see some technology-related programs that we offer that you might be interested in exploring further, such as health informatics, health information fundamentals, and AWS Academy Cloud programs. Whether you're beginning your career, making a career move, or looking for professional development and practical learning in a specialized field, our courses will provide you with a solid foundation and give you the in-demand skills employers are looking for. Thanks so much for joining us today, and hope we were able to answer all of your questions. Please do not hesitate to reach out. We're available via our contact us form. Thanks again, and we look forward to connecting with you soon.